DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving valid anagram problem. So the problem statement states that given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So for example, anagram, it's arranged in a different form, but all the letters used in S is present in T. That's why we return true. Dog cannot be a cat. We cannot use the letters of a cat to frame dog. Hence, the output is false. So, we'll first write the base conditions here. That is, the both the string length should be equal. So first, let's write the base condition. That is, if our s dot length, if it is not equal to t dot length, then I will return false. And so the logic that we'll be using is, we'll convert both s and t to character array, sort it, and then check if it is both are equal or not. So first we'll write a character array called s array. How do we convert? So we'll call to char array method to convert our string to character array. We'll again create one more t array by calling t dot to char array. So our both of our arrays are ready right now. So we'll call arrays dot sort our s array. Similarly, we'll sort our t array as well. And now, if both are equal, return true. If both are not equal, then return false. So directly we can write our return statement calling arrays dot equals our s array and t array. If it is equal, it will return true. If it is not equal, it will return false. Let's check it. Let me run it. I hope both the test cases have passed. Let me submit this code. Yeah, so all the 112 test cases have passed. Thank you, friends.